Okay, so for this project, what we'll be needing, we're going to need a receiver board, a controller, and a mosquito racket PC board, and then some cable. Then we also need a battery. Okay, this is a 12 volt. Don't think you need a 12 volt. You can probably use a 9 volt battery. This is to power the receiver board, and then we need a 3 volt to power the PC board of the mosquito racket. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we need to get this receiver board programmed with this remote. So let's put some power onto the receiver board. Okay, and then you press the remote, and you press the learn button, and then press it again, and there we go. Okay, let's go on to the next stage. Okay, so now that we've got this PC board out, we need to get rid of this button over here. So we need to just take that off, because what will be powering this switch is this relay. So you got it normally open and normally closed. I don't know if you can see that. So this will be the switch. So we'll have to connect two wires in here and solder them onto the place of the switch. So let's remove this switch and solder some cables on there. Okay, so we only need two cables coming from here, so you can just go ahead and just cut the one off like that. Okay, so this is where our sparks will come from, and we're going to attach a longer cable onto this so we can detonate our device from a distance. But I first soldered onto the live and neutral leads, but this is best to do afterwards, as you can get shocks. Okay, so now we need to connect the switch of this PC board into the receiver board. Okay, so now we're going to connect it from the common. We'll use live as a common, and it will go into the normally open switch, so that when you press the remote it will close and tell this PC board to come on. Okay, so let's go ahead and just stick that into the common section. Okay, so there we go. Now we're ready to test, so let's go for it. There we go. Okay, then I just soldered on to some of this thicker wire so we can bend it and it can stay in a position, and then I'm just going to heat shrink this. Okay, so I'm at a field and we're going to do a demonstration of how this remote detonator is going to work. So I've just stored everything in the lunchbox, and it's attached to my porta pack, and I'm going to light it from a distance. And there we have it, a remote detonator. Now I've also got a dead man switch that I want to try, and I'll show you that now. Okay, so this is my dead man switch. It's got the same PC board in here, and I've just linked these two switches in series with the button. So I've taken out the button and I've just put a normally closed switch with a normal switch over here. So when you activate this, your thumb must be on here, and then when you release it, then it will send a signal to the receiver and it will ignite. So let's give it a try. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's put the gas on and hold the button down. Now it's hot, and release it. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.